श्रीमती सुप्रिया सिले।
Sir, the only concern is this should not be a pattern because Parliament is supreme in a vibrant democracy like India. That's the only limited point I am raising here, sir. Sir, in section 3C, the collector issue which Kanni Mozi ji has raised, it's very, very worrying. A collector cannot take these decisions unilaterally. We vehemently object to that. Deleting section 40. Now, WAF is there or is not there is clearly needs to be told. You have deleted section 40, sir. It is not helping the cause, or I don't know what the intention is. If you are really bringing in transparency into a system, why are you deleting section 40 is my question to this. Then the WAF tribunal, it's completely weakened. The tribunal has no powers because if anybody can challenge and go to the High Court, then what is the role of the tribunal, sir? So this is a...
Please wait, you hear us.
Patience, yaar. Then there's section 108, section B. The rules will be made by the central government. Then what will be the rule of the states? The states, cooperative federalism, तो ये सरकार भूल ही गई है हर चीज में, sir. Yesterday in the GST we had the same issue. The Honorable Finance Minister gave us a very long reply, detailed reply, which I appreciate. But she is saying that nothing is, don't bring issues here, go back to the states. So then why are we elected here? Why do we have a parliament if for everything we have to go back to the states? And states का कोई सुने तो ना. That is the other problem. They say write to the states, then why are we writing to ministers here? It has no value. How can you undermine the central government? This is supreme, all state subjects. State GST, sir, I agree with you. But if in the GST council my minister doesn't come, what can I do? If we are not heard, how will it happen, sir? So my request is in 108 section B, the rules, states need to have their powers. Please do not take powers away. And equity before law. Sir, this country is about unity with diversity. Any country, look at what is happening in Bangladesh, sir. There is so much pain in Bangladesh. We are all very concerned about everything that's going on. So my thing is minorities should be protected in every country because they are lesser in numbers. So I think it's our moral duty to make sure, please, the government should clarify what is the intent of the government for and what is the timing. ऐसा क्या हुआ है वक्फ बोर्ड में कि अभी आपको ये बिल लाना है? Sir, we object. Please withdraw this bill. Let's have more detailed discussions. There are committees which are forming. Let's discuss it and only then bring a bill which is fair and which is just in this country. Because in this constitution, every citizen matters and counts. That's what rightfully is given to every citizen, sir. Thank you.
माननीय सदस्यगण, एक बार फिर चेक कर लें. इस बिल को 6 तारीख को सर्कुलेट कर दिया था. आप पोर्टल पे चेक कर लें, क्योंकि आप सदन के बारे, संसद के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, इसलिए मैं विषय को क्लियर कर रहा हूँ. मैं आपने कहा कि ये बिल सीधा मीडिया में आया और हमें सर्कुलेट नहीं किया, इसलिए कह रहा हूँ मैं आपको. मीडिया में क्या क्या बात आती है इसके लिए हमारी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है. हमारी जिम्मेदारी इतनी है कि बिल सर्कुलेट 6 तारीख को हुआ है. MP अब्बू समदानी.
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.